Anybody who walks in through the door, be it non-disabled, disabled, young, old, it's about bringing everybody in and everybody being involved. Aberystwyth Basketball is made up of 4 clubs. That is the Aberystwyth Walking Basketball Club, Aberystwyth Ladies Basketball, we have our wheelchair club and the regular running basketball club. I think the participants who come to Aberystwyth Basketball Club in all of our sessions get to build up strong relationships with others. It doesn't matter what level we're at, there's a big emphasis on enjoying the sport. Aberystwyth Basketball also believes in non-disabled and disabled people can join in and take part in the sessions together.
It's an unbelievably valuable product that we're producing in partnership with Aber Basketball. It's not only an athletic or an activity-based product and project, but also enhances the confidence of the pupils, their social skills. Hopefully the partnership will develop and we can work more and more together with key target groups.
I like doing all of it because it makes me very happy.
We're a very friendly bunch and we welcome anybody, no matter what their ability is, to come and play and enjoy keeping fit. So it's all part of trying to keep as active as we possibly can for as long as we possibly can.
It's really good for integrating able-bodied and disabled children as well. Lee, the coach, looks after all the children, treats the children all exactly the same. They know exactly where they stand with him, and all of them get the best enjoyment out of the session.